Hi there and welcome. This is Shilpa Kenya from Shilpi. Today I am going to share Father's Day card using Shilpi alcohol inks. A day to celebrate and let your father know how much you appreciate and love him. Gift this simple card and make your Father's Day more colorful. The best part of this is no artistic skills required to make these alcohol ink cards. These cards can make in different color combinations and make your card with alcohol inks that really stands out. Here I have taken piece of card and alphabet stencil. Size of alphabet is around 1 inch. Draw 2 D letters and 1 A letter on card with light pencil. Cutting these letters inner part with help of cutter and outer part with scissors. I could not find my alphabet dies. If you have alphabet dies, then go for alphabet die cuts only. It will be easier for you and card will be ready in just few minutes. This is super easy card to make. Here 3 letters are ready for the card. I have already kept 3 sets of letters ready. This is A6 size Yupo paper 300 microns. It's a pack of 10 Yupo. I will use 3 cards from this. These are alcohol inks. This is plastic sheet. You can use any thin plastic for this card. This is isopropyl alcohol and dropper. Put 2 to 3 drops of isopropyl alcohol in the center of Yupo paper. 2 to 3 drops of midnight blue and next to it tangerine alcohol inks. And keep plastic sheet in the center of the card and give the crease with the fingers and tap on the color, and this will keep aside for 10 minutes to dry. Moving to next Yupo paper, put 2 to 3 drops of isopropyl alcohol on it. Put a few drops of ruby alcohol ink, and next to ruby put few drops of black alcohol ink, and keep plastic sheet on it and with finger give few creases and keep aside. I have taken third Yupo paper, directly putting amber alcohol ink in the center of the paper. Look at this, how fast it spreads. Putting sweet brown alcohol ink at the side of amber circle. Keep plastic sheet on it. You can extend time to take out the plastic to get nice texture. Alcohol inks reacts with each other and with isopropyl also and give amazing results. I am peeling plastic sheet from first card. Now peeling plastic from the second card, and look at the textures it creates at the sides. It looks amazing. Now this is the third card. I love the color combination of this card, and look at the texture it has got and the creases also. Alcohol inks are vibrant and magical too. Now it's time to stick letters on the card. Put glue at the back of the letter and start sticking. I have stuck letter A first in the center of the card, and then both the sides letter D. The second card, repeat the same process of sticking letters. These letters pops out on these vibrant alcohol inks background. Every time you will get unique results with these alcohol inks. I will repeat the process of sticking the letters on this card. I love the texture of this card, and it has got few creases at the sides. This is 15 by 20 centimeter white cardstock. I will color this cardstock matching to alcohol ink background. Coloring this cardstock using artistry inks with applicator. I am inking the cardstock randomly because only 3 mm from all four sides are going to be seen, so no need of good shading required. Put glue at all four sides at the back of the Yupo and stick in the center of cardstock. I do not keep color cardstock. Whenever I want color cardstock, it is much better to ink the card to get exact shade on the card. If you have color cardstock, you can use those to make your card. I have finished making this third card. I hope you enjoyed the process of making these cards. It's fun to make these cards and techniques for you to try. Will be coming soon with new projects. So do subscribe our channel for new creative ideas. Thank you for watching.